Hey everybody, Brock Hoyer here. We are checking out the new 22 Yamaha Mountain Max 154 SL, and we're going to compare it against the last year's model 21. We're going to notice the difference between the seating comparisons. We got the lightweight version, 20 pounds lighter, non-electric start, new tank, shorter seat, and then another great feature on the new 22 is we get the new clutches for 22. Some of the new key features on the new 22 Mountain Max SL 154 is we got 3-inch track now this year. Last year's 21 154 only came with the 2.6 with electric start. You still can get the 154 in a 2.6 as well, electric start, but for the lightweight SL, we're gonna get the 3-inch and loss of 20 pounds overall weight. So I feel like this is gonna be the weapon for those big deep days. You can still get the 2.6 in the non-SL, but I definitely think this is going to be my choice for up and coming season. Another great feature on the new 22 sled is the new seat and tank, and why that has changed too is also a 20-pound reduction with non-electric start this year. For me, the big change was transferring on the seat. A little shorter, stubbier seat makes it a lot easier for a guy like my size to easily transfer back and forth on the snow as you're riding. Another great feature on the new Yamaha Mountain Max 154 SL is we've got the new factory Yamaha clutches in it. It'll be a pound lighter, narrower clutch. Right now we still have the team clutches in here, but the new clutches still auto adjusting, easy tuning, great RPM, and they work amazing with this platform on this 800 motor. Last year's 165, big trunk, big storage compartment, amazing, lots of storage. But when you're trying to get nimble, feet passing, sometimes you bump it. So on the SL model now, we've lost a bit of that, losing that 20 pounds of weight. We've lost that whole luggage room, but still able to fit a belt in here and your sandwich. Great things for 22.